Now, in order to calculate work, which is an energy, so a scalar, from the force and the displacement, which are two vectors, we're going to need to know how to take vector dot products. So there's two different ways that we can multiply vectors together. One of them gives us a scalar as a result, and the other one gives us a vector. So we're just going to be considering the method at the moment, which gives us a scalar as a result. So this method of multiplication is known as taking the dot product, and this is because we represent it as a dot between two vectors. So for example, if we wanted to take the dot product of A and B, which are two vectors, we'd say A dot B. It's also sometimes referred to as the scalar product because the result of this multiplication is a scalar. So let's have a look at exactly how we do this. So say that our vector A is given by AXI plus AYJ plus AZK, and our vector B is given by BXI plus BYJ plus BZK, and we want to take the dot product of these two. Then A dot B is equal to AX times BX plus AY times BY plus AZ times BZ. So let's have a look at a couple of examples. First of all, we'll represent our vectors with a bracket notation. So say we want to take the dot product between the vectors 2, 3, 1 and 1, 2, 3. In this case, this dot product is equal to 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2 plus 1 times 3, so 2 plus 6 plus 3. When we sum all those, we get 11. So 11 is the answer to this dot product. Another example, say our vectors are given by A is equal to 3i plus 2j and B is equal to 1j plus 2k. If we want to find A dot B, then we have 3 times 0, so the 0 in this case because in the I direction B has no component, so the component is 0, plus 2 times 1 plus 0 times 2. And again, the 0 is because the vector A has no component in the k direction. So summing those up, we end up with just the 2. So the answer to this dot product is 2. Now, if we have two vectors A and B for which we're given a magnitude and direction rather than in unit vector format, then when we take the dot product, we can use A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, where theta is the angle between these two vectors.